Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today we're going to do a Pilates class for the whole body. So welcome to class and we're going to start on our backs. We're going to lie on our backs and hug our knees in. Have a little rock one way, have a little rock the other way. Place the feet down on the floor, hip distance apart. We're going to bring the hands up to the ceiling. We're going to inhale, reach the hands over our head, opening up the shoulders. And exhale back up. Inhale over our heads. Exhale back up. Inhale over our heads. Exhale back up. Two more. Reaching over our heads, opening up the shoulders. And back up. And one more time, opening up the upper back as well. Then bring the hands to your hips. We're going to tuck the tailbone under and roll up one vertebra at a time in the bridge. And then we're going to exhale, roll down one vertebra at a time in the bridge. Rolling up, squeezing those glutes, pulling the abs in. Exhaling, coming down. So Pilates is about building core strength and being aware of your midsection. So what we're doing is we're connecting with our spine one vertebra at a time. Let's do three more. Rolling up one vertebra at a time. Consciously moving up, consciously moving down. Consciously moving up, consciously moving down. And we'll do that one more time, rolling up, and this time we're going to interlock the fingers underneath just to open up the shoulders. Breathing in, breathing out for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. We're going to bring the hands behind our head, elbows back. We're going to work our core now. So imagine you've got a tennis ball between your chin and your chest, and we're going to inhale, exhale, lift and release. Inhale, exhale, lift and release. Let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it up and pulse. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release. We're going to bring the hands down to our hips. We're going to inhale, exhale, lift up, pull the belly button in, draw the shoulders down and away, and we're going to pulse. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hug those knees in. We're going to bring the hands behind our head, keep the feet up. We're going to inhale, exhale, lift and twist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then gently release. Breathing in, breathing out. We're going to roll over onto our bellies. Rolling over onto our bellies. And then we're going to have the feet nice and wide, one hand on top of the other. Place the hands, forehead down onto the hands. We're going to extend the legs and lift the thighs off the mat. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're bringing the hands out 90 degrees. And then we're going to inhale, lift up those arms, squeeze those shoulder blades together and down. Keep the forehead facing the mat. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We're going to roll over onto the sides. We're going to lie on the side. You can rest your head on your arm, bending the knees, one knee on top of the other, hip on top of hip. Place one hand in front of you, pull the abs in, and we're going to open and close. So you're opening up your knee and closing. Open and close. Pull the belly button in for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, pull the belly button in, 5, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this time we're going to lift the foot and the knee up. Not too high so you're leaning back. You want to keep your hip on top of your hip, yeah? So let's go for 10, 9, activating the glute muscles, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to keep the toes together and lift the feet up into a clam. 10, 9, you're doing so well, 8, 7, keep breathing, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Pat it out and let's do the other side. Lying on the other side, bending the knees, hip on top of hip, knee on top of knee, and place the front hand in front of you. Open, close, open, close. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's lift up the feet and the knees. For 10, pull the belly button in. 9, 8, 7, 6, you're doing so well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now toes together, lifting it up. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Tap it out. And this time we're going to come up onto our hands and knees. We're going to do some push-ups, helping building up upper body strength, okay? Leaning slightly forward, exhale down, inhale, lift. Keep the belly button pulled in for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Let's come up onto hands and knees. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine. We're going to come into a downward facing dog. Just walking out, left, right, left, right. We're going to come into a high plank, bend the knees, and then come back into a high plank for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Drop the knees down, knees nice and wide, and let's stretch it out into a child's pose. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And then we're going to come up into sitting. And we're just going to rotate our shoulders one way. Rotate our shoulders the other way. We're going to inhale, lift up one hand, bring it over our head. And change sides. One more time. Over your head And change sides. And bring both hands up to the ceiling. Place the opposite hand on the opposite knee. The back hand near your spine. Lift up and twist. Relax your shoulders. Lift up and twist. And release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lift up and twist. Lift up and twist. One more time. Lift up and twist. And let's get back into the center. Turn your head left to right. And then tiny circles upwards. Relax your shoulders and back into the center. Take a nice big exhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Inhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Well done, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. I'd love to hear from you. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.